Diba? First time tayo na ganyan, ano?
Manila Tibet Forum. Oh. Ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Morning. Morning.
To Madam Risa Surimo Matias, our President of ASME. To District Director TESDA NCR Manila District, Madam Yen Wanani. And to our boss, Regional Director, TESDA National Capital Region, Engineer Juvencio Ferrer Jr. Boss, congratulations! World Skills! Salamat po! May France pa ho. And to... Alam na mag-roll call ulit ako, tapos na. Good morning everyone and welcome to the Manila Tibet Forum 2024. We are thrilled to have you here as we explore the vital themes of embracing AI, innovation, and inclusivity in our rapidly changing technology landscape. Sana po nararamdaman po ng bawat isa na kayo po ay kaparte dito. Wala pong hindi kaparte. We are all together here. Isang pamilya. This forum is a unique opportunity for us to collaborate, share insights, and inspire one another as we shape the future of technical and vocational education and training.
Representatives who are present, maraming salamat po for coming to represent the fellow TESDAs, of course, and all the participants present. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So firstly, I would like to thank ASME for organizing this event. Hindi to biro. Actually, ang tagal na nilang nire-request ko, August pa, but...
Bawat araw excited ang mga staff. Bago kayo maghiwa-hiwalay sa gabi, hapon, gumawa kayo something na para they will look, di ba? Bukas si Kisa, di ba? E pagpasugod ka, di ba? Pag-isa. Ngayon, sa TESDA, kaya-kaya. Kaya na, kaya-kaya yan. So,